We bought a work truck for $1,200, so stay tuned. Here we go, guys. 1993 F350 dually. It's got the 7.3 IDI in it. Runs good. Ugly. Needs some body work. No, we can't handle. It's a work truck, right? Needs a fender. That's the first thing. One of the first things we got to do. Oh man, why does the guy always got to rain when I'm doing a video? I'm gonna try to stay under the tree and hopefully y'all can see it without me making the camera all blurry from the water like in the last video. Runs good. We brought it back about 2-hour drive back. It has a lot of miles. It has 355,000 miles on it. But they did a lot of work to the engine. The engine's been rebuilt. New batteries. They redid some stuff in the front end. They rebuilt the front end. I don't like that the gas tank, instead of the gas tank being where it should be, they put it up here. This is the gas tank for it. I think it'll look cool to eventually put a flatbed on here. What do y'all think? Flatbed? And I mean, like I said, it ain't pretty, but for $1,200 for a 7.3 diesel truck in Texas, you can't beat it. It is a 5-speed. As a farm truck, ranch truck, it's not in the best interior, but again, we're gonna use it as a work truck. We can fix it up over time. This one's actually worth putting money in. 5-speed. Look at the makeshift handle they made. Not in a couple trips to the junkyard. Couldn't fix. Runs pretty good. Let me go get the keys and we'll fire it up. All right, put her in there. Let's cycle because it's a diesel. Oh, one thing I gotta tell y'all. After I cycle it, so you can't start it from here, they rigged the push button right here for the start. So anyway, let's see if I can. This ain't the key. Not 100% sure what's going on here with the key switch. Hold on. So I guess the key switch is messed up on this. Oh, here we go. Cycle it. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. There it running. After I figured out this key switch is messed up. But hey, it was $1,200. And I was wrong, it's $320,000. I thought $355. Since they put an automatic dash in here. That part don't work. We gotta use this. It's a work in progress, guys. 2 new batteries in here. I gotta fix the brake lights, and the wiper's no good. After I get that fixed, I'll do a test drive video on this. Y'all can see it going down the road. In fact, we gotta go pick up a project out of town with this this weekend, so I'll make a video going there and back in this truck. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos of us fixing up this truck, please let me know down in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this out. Let's try to make this one of the best YouTube channels on YouTube. Later, everybody.